Wow, iPhone 17.
Thank you, Ate Patricia!
Hi, Ate Kay!
So satisfying, man.
Oh, it's so satisfying.
She's so satisfying, man.
Oh, it's so satisfying.
Thank you so much. May engravings rin siya, guys, na hindi ko yung makita nyo. Number 1 and number 2. Jersey namin.
Guys, grabe si Maki, guys. Binigyan ng iPad, guys. Ni Ate MJ, guys. Grabe si Ate MJ, guys.
Guys, huwag kayong manifesting dyan. Nakakaya, wag na. Okay lang.
Hi, Ate Kay! Nasa Ate Kay?
Guys.
Nasa Ate Hi!
Hi, Kate.
Guys, napaka-isa, guys.
Buhay pala.
Wow, iPhone 17.
Thank you,
Iwan
Ate
daw,
Patricia!
Hi, Ate Kay! Nasa
Guys,
Ate Kay?
napaka-isa, guys.
Nasa Ate Kay?
Hi, Ate Kay!
Sana all.
Thank you.
Sana all.
Kanina sa tumulan. Okay,
Sana,
Ray.
Ray. TV
Go,
na
go,
ni mo, Ray?
go!
TV na ni mo?
Thank you. Ayaw na.
Ikaw.
Ayaw na. Oh, it's so satisfying.
Napa na isa?
Ano isa? Pila din ka buhok?
Dua.
Oh, it's so satisfying. Uy.
iPad A16 pink.
iPad A16 pink, guys. Yan words na.
Kani po.
Ay,
nako.
Sorry. Guarantee kayo, guys. Thank you, Ate MJ. Damn, buta. Damn.
Carbon.
Ayun, mo. Thank you, Ate MJ. Sa iPad.
Sabi na okay lang. Okay. Tagat pa naman kay isa.
iPad o sa naman?
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Damn. Damn. Bugatan, ano? Wait. Okay. Saan mo bugatan?
Bikit lang.
Ano, pre?
Saan yung laman ano eh? Wait lang.
Mama, Ate MJ.
Wala, papel na ni Mac.
Ayun. Balik. Thank you, Ate MJ.
Sheesh! Yeah.
Thank you, Ate MJ.
Thank you so much. May engravings rin siya, guys, na hindi ko yung makita nyo. Number 1 and number 2. Jersey number ko and jersey number ni Brother Bobet ko. Nakalagay. Grabe yung blessings natin, guys. And ito na, guys, yung super gift nila sa akin. Oh, thank you so much. God bless po sa inyong lahat. Nasusuportan niyo po sa akin, guys. Ganda, guys. Hindi ako na-expect, guys, na mabibigyan ako ng ganito, guys, iPad. Tapos may pencil pa. Guys, thank you so much sa mga supporters ko sa Team Aaron Official. Let's go! Doing na, guys. Thank you so much sa Team Aaron Official. Nice. Ay. Oh, so happy. Continue.